Look, bro, just don't say that. You're mean to me. So true.
I have to do nade and
So
not
hold on,
get to use it.
What?
I have to do nade and not get to use it.
Well,
You scared of me.
I have. Oh, guess what? I have a C4 brick. More powerful. Much more powerful. Oh, I'm so tired. I found a can opener. I had to let me grab that. What the hell is this for? There's no canned foods.
Why is there a can opener? I have no can food.
I don't know. Caravan! 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 Caravan, you fucking... Follow me.
I told him to follow me.
Yeah, but he needs to come from
Do I have a bottle opener? Did I just say bottle opener? That's embarrassing. Oh my god, I don't care about the emergency pack, even though I'm opening it. Oh, no.
Opener?
Fine with this guy, though.
Imagine beating this game with only a stick.
That's physically impossible.
Or maybe like only a rock.
Physically impossible.
Yeah, actually, yeah, it would be.
Should we go get the stunner and the baptizer? Let me breather. Get me this heal. Heal.
But I mean, yeah. Why are there so many spiders? Just go. Arachnophobia.
Same, I have that over.
You bitty so delicious.
So delicious, you're an ice cream delicious.
You're an ice cream delicious.
Delicious. Can be so delicious, you're an ice cream delicious. Need any stick snacks for the tenant?
Shall we venture into a cave, Slimy?
Of course. Why wouldn't? I have one arrow with a crossbow bolt. No, I don't have a crossbow.
Oh, come over here, Scott.
What did you do to Calvin?
I just
lost my dog.
Look at this. I killed it. What if I tell him to follow me? Follow me.
Okay. Jump on my head.
And I'm gonna jump on his head.
Imagine it was an infinite loop, so it's just about to fly into space.
Oh, look at this. Oh, yes, try to get on. Now I'm gonna try to get on your head. Oh my god. This works.
Oh my god.
Hop on.
Oh my god. Go!
Okay, stay on and I'll jump on your head.
Okay.
Try a little bit more, just a little bit more. Wait.
Oh my god, bro. Hop on from the... Why do you have to turn? Oh, can you stop turning?
Stop turning! Oh!
No!
Okay, ready?
Okay, let's just go to the cave. Let's go to the breather. And the sun guy. I know C4 break this. Do you any max?
Since it needs to be plugged in.
Why are you holding your radio? Okay, why is our boat holding out his radio? What button even is your radio? Scooby so delicious and my instant is delicious. Scooby so delicious.
Mr. Sharky.